I should buy this or 350.
Let me see you. This is cooler, I think. Sit also to the black one because the bags are messing my mind. I want to see the exhaust if it is too big. I don't know. All of them are fantastic.
This or this.
I think this is more you. I think that this is more you yourself. I think.
Better here.
Huh?
Better here.
This is like you are in American cinema.
Yes. Is it good?
The color, I mean.
Good.
It's good, yes.
Right now?
Cinematic.
Now better.
Yes, now better, of course better.
Good price.
Good price.
My eyes, everything looks quality.
Yes.
Simple. What can be wrong here on brake? Look. And the noise is going to be amazing. Like brrrr. Metal.
Metal.
Metal. Twenty horsepower. That means 350, 20 horsepower is going to last forever.
Mm-hmm.
So this, how many this?
You confuse me a lot now.
Same, different color.
No, the red, no.
Not the red.
For sure not the red.
It's better, yeah?
Yes. This is really beautiful. Beautiful also.
I feel better with this.
Okay. Maybe because of the seat.
More soft seat,
I said it already.
more retro here, I mean a different year.
Yes, yes. He's riding the motorcycle and thinks, yes, like this girl. He's going to feel like this. I forgot to tell you that his height is 1 meter, 90 centimeter, 6.2 feet tall.
In case they don't believe you. Here has metal.
It has metal.
Here has metal, and I can do many things here, whatever I like. I can tie something here, I can put something here. There is an option for second seat.
Ah, yes, there is an option for second seat, he says.
Or even I can make big, small, I can make it remove and come out easily.
I understand, yes.
Whatever I like, because I have this. And here is a screw. From here, two metals. Put the seat here. Remove it when I'm alone. Make it long or whatever I like.
Yes, yes, I understand.
Everything looks quality, look. You see?
Okay, yes, I see.
Everything looks good. Everything. And this also sounds good to me. It's all technology. This is going to be slow bike, but the most important for me is to have fuel consumption low. This says 2.7 liters.
Oh,
And never breaks. These are two I want, mainly. If this is not good, then I don't like. If this is reliable, stays forever, and not to break, so I have to walk in the middle of the desert, I don't like. Or if I need to pay all the time for gasoline, I don't like. Leave a comment, help me to decide. Does this motorcycle will last forever? Is it about fuel economy, low fuel economy? I want to travel with 110 kilometers per hour, not faster. If you own this motorcycle, what do you believe? Suspension. Looking good.
do it again. Okay.
Honda is more hard.
He says that Honda's is more hard.
Cool.
Cool, yes.
You don't like the red?
I don't like it. For you.
Tell them to choose the color.
No, no, the red, no. You can tell your opinion, you can choose. My opinion is no, but you have also your opinion, and we need your help.
Let's see the color. This comes in which color? This will change. Red only.
Ah, only red.
You see, like a president I will be.
Yes.
He's from India.
Yes.
I will be from Greece. Same thing.
Greek
No problem.
president.
No problem. This is no chrome. Tell them, no chrome here.
What do you? Ah, no chrome. Yes, yes. It's black.
5,300.
5,300 euros.
This is for two people. How about this?
Looks good.
Tell them to leave a comment.
Leave a comment. Tell which motorcycle you like best for Vasilio. Yes.
What do they think for me is best?
Yes, for you, I said so.
Or maybe I buy the Honda GP 350 or maybe Royal Enfield that I have been watching so many movies with this. Steve McQueen, I will be the same.
Yes.
Maybe even better me.
Of course, better you.
I can jump
No.
this chrome. To me, either the red or this classic, all classic. I think red is better.
No, for me, no. But you know better, and our viewers can help you.
I will see this video so I can decide.
Okay, video. Can I close the video now?
Let's continue with the other Royal Enfield. If you are Royal Enfield lover, this is the channel for you.
Okay.
Because I like those classic bikes. I'm going to show you so many products. Right?
Right?
And I will buy this maybe. Maybe. Or Honda. Let's see.
Do I close?
The tires from Royal Enfield. Madeleine will show you.
I'm sorry, I cannot see the brand. I cannot see the brand. This is a brand I'm showing you. Zoom Alus. Zoom Alus. And the dimensions is this. Front tire. Oh. Back tire. Here it says seat and the dimension. This is from the brown one, and I'm gonna check also the red one. Back tire. Seat Zumalus. I think they are the same. And these were the tires of these two models.